about the trees to be planted. So many a time people go on afforestation, that is the planting of the trees which are available in their vicinity. But hardly there are people who understand about the local area. So there was one my poet friend who used to publish on every Republic Day of India magazine wherein he was explaining us what tree should be planted, and his name is Dadu Mandrekar, the well-known poet of Goa, got it, who wrote the Bahishkrut Gomantak. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar wrote the Bahishkrut Bharat, how untouchable in India suffered. So he was the person when he was appointed first in the village called Dongurli, how he was tortured as a untouchable. So all these experiences had written in the book called Bahishkrut Gomantak. Very beautiful book. You should read it. Got it, no? And he is the person who made me aware about. I was aware because when I was a small boy and road was not tarred in Sar, uh, both side of the road, this tree was there. This tree is called Bhendi tree. Got it, no? Today we have forgotten this Bhendi tree, but most of the canoe that were made, most of the agricultural implement during olden time, people were making, they were from the Bhendi. So the wood is very tough, got it, no? Very hard, very useful, and it is not prized one like the Tectona grandis, silo. Got it, no? Silo is very costly. Pindal is very costly. So this is available in the coastal area, and that is why I thought that it is a right to tell you, because Bhendi is also considered as a sacred in Goa, and in Sakri, Mahavalangtad, you will find the local folk deity is worshipped in the name of the Bhendi tree. So in this village, for example, you will find number of trees. For example, he is from the place called Mirzalwada. So there you will find Brahman is there, and Brahman is worshipped in the form of the Arthocarpus tree. Arthocarpus means jackfruit. Got it, no? So almost more than 150-year-old Arthocarpus tree is there. You should visit that location. Why people selected such old ancient tree? What is the reason? Because that is the only place in Pali area where you will find the hillock is there, and in hillock you will find the Kale Shinecho Devsar. Got it? So this Devsar was sitting on the tree called Naks Homika, Kajreche Jhad. Got it, no? And backside you will find beautiful Patoponas tree. Got it, no? Number of trees are there. You should visit that location. Old Kajro tree is no more there. Now people planted a new sapling there. Got it, no? And near to it you will find the Bhiran is there. So beautiful location is there, and at Mirzalwara you can see the water that percolate into the hillock. It comes down, and people were using this water for growing most of the autumn season crops. Chili, for example, vegetable, then amaranthus, tamdi bhaji. So all these were grown. So there are two locations in this village. Another location is at the where you can see the Barawangad place is there, banyan tree is there, got it, no? And downward you can see a huge embankment is there. So this embankment takes you to the hoary past wherein the ancestor tribal were involved in the creation of the embankment, and this embankment you will see there, and how water is distributed, and this water first you used in the horticultural plantation of Chitpavan Brahmin Kelkar family. Got it? The Chitpavan Brahmin Kelkar family is there, so they are using this water, and earlier people were getting this water, and downward you know, there is another spring, Povlizhar, and people believe that the folk deity Povli means beautiful. Folk deity is there. So now you cannot see it. This Povlizhar which is there is very unique because you will find the Kali Patni rice. Kali Patni rice is the specialty of this region. Kali Patni rice. So just as if you cross this river, Terekol, and if you go in the Banda side, got it, no? Or if you go to Kuda, you will find a special type of the rice called Walai. So when you next time go to Sawantwadi, please purchase Walai, cook the rice gruel pairs, and just try it. Got it? Very tasty. Walai. Available in the market of the Sawantwadi. Tuesday is the day when you can get in a big quantity Walai rice. So Walai rice is specially grown in the place called Salgaon in Kudar. Got it, no? And if you want to purchase the Goan rice, then go to the Azra. Got it, no? But the GI tag is not for Goa. It is given to the Azra, Maharashtra GI tag. And this rice is Ghansa rice. And people, the Christian community from Salgaon, they took along with them this rice which is competing with the Basmati. Ghansa. So Ghansa is originally from Saligaon. Almost 40 varieties of the sal were grown in the Konkan and Goa region. Not one or two, 40 varieties. So if you want to document it, then you should read the book written by Mahadev Govindra Ranade, historian. But he has written very big book compiling all details about the paddy. So how our life today transform and how we are running after white rice. That is the tragedy. So carbohydrate problem is there in our body. We face the problem of the digestion. Got it, no? So that is why you have to change the rice and try it. So don't give away rice. So rice will help you to provide the energy. So people were growing this rice. Try with the people, with the local people. Try to eat walai. Got it, no? Try to eat ghansar, bado rice, kali patni. So different types. If you see, there are more than 10 agricultural fields that were only getting irrigation through the Povlizhar. Got it, no? Povlizhar is a beautiful location. So it is at the Baba Khan Wada.